Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today's video is a full coverage fall makeup tutorial. This look can be great if you go into a party. And yeah, so if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about makeup, please don't forget to click the subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any beauty video. I prime my lid. So for eyeshadow palette, I am using the Natasha Denona Peak 5 eyeshadow palette. Natasha Denona. The reason why I'm using this one is because it has all these fall colors on it, and this will be so perfect for the fall. So I just really love it. So let's start with this. So I'm gonna use this for the crease. Now for the outer corner, I'm gonna use this brown shade right here. Remember, Natasha Denona eyeshadow palettes are very pigmented, so you definitely have to be light-handed with it. Now I have my shader brush, and I'm gonna go with this shimmery shades. Oh yeah, I forgot to swatch it for you, but I'm gonna swatch it real quick. The shade that I just used, I'm gonna swatch the first shade and the brown shade. These are the two that I just used. You can see it's super pigmented. Really love it. And now I'm gonna use the shimmery shade, which is, see the shimmery shade right here? Look how pigmented this is. So I'm gonna be using this shimmery shade right here with my shader brush. Now that we're done with the eyes, now let's get into the skin. So for primer, I am going to use the Essence Prime and Studio Hydrating and Skin Refreshing Primer. It has coconut water and hyaluronic acid. Sorry about that motorcycle. I do live in New York. It happens here. Now for foundation, I'm using the Sephora Best Skin Ever foundation in the shade 19.5. This one is so good by Sephora brand. Really like it. Very high coverage. Definitely like the coverage on this. Amazed me. This definitely wowed me when I first tried it out. Definitely love it. Now for concealer, I'm using the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue concealer, and this one is in the shade Light Medium. Now for powder, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Recharge Setting Powder in the shade Banana. Fenty Beauty. Really love it. Really love this thing so much. Ooh. It is so smooth and buttery. There is no kickbacks on this setting powder. I have some right here. Really love the banana shade. For browns, I'm using the Nars Laguana bronzer. Definitely love this stuff so much. Now for highlighter, I really like this because this highlighter I'm going to mention right now, it looks like an high-end highlighter and it has so much coverage to it, and I love the fact that it's long wearing. So it is by E.l.f. Cosmetics. It is the 24K Carat Gold highlighter. You can see it is so beautiful and I really love it. 24K. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys so you can see what I'm talking about. It's so pretty. Woo. beautiful. For the lips, I'm using the KVD Vinyl Lip Cream in the shade Blossom. I'm going to swatch it right now. This is the Blossom. Now to set this entire makeup, I'm using the Fenty Dewy Setting Spray. Definitely like this. Love the way that it leaves the makeup long. It's a long lasting setting spray that leaves the makeup long for like 24 hours. Really like it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this full coverage fall makeup look. These are some of the products that I really like that will be great for the fall, and I feel you will enjoy it too. So I really hope you enjoy this look. If you do enjoy this look, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe right here or right here, and I'll see you in my next video.